Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a crochet sunflower keychain. It can also be used as a bag charm. For this project I'll be using brown milk cotton yarn, some yellow acrylic yarn, a 3.5mm crochet hook and some scissors. Of course you can use any kind of yarn of your choice. Start with the magic ring. We are going to be making 6 single crochets inside this magic ring. Once you are done, pull the tail end of the yarn to tighten the magic ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch. For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and do 2 single crochets into every stitch to the end. Slip stitch into that last stitch. For this row, chain 1 and do 2 single crochets in the first stitch and in the next 1 single crochet. You're just going to be repeating this pattern, 2 single crochets in 1 stitch and in the next 1 single crochet. Do a slip stitch in this last stitch to end row 3. We are going to be making 2 of these. So for this one you can cut the tail end, but for the next one you're going to make, do not cut the end. The end is what we are going to be using to sew them together. Now that we have our 2 pieces, we are going to attach them together. Now you can use your darning needle or crochet hook to attach them together. Make sure they are aligned with each other and connect them with slip stitches. Do not close it completely when you are done. You leave a small hole for stuffing or scrap yarn. Like I said, you can use scrap yarn or polyester fiber fill, or you can just leave it without anything inside. We are going to close the rest of our stitches with slip stitches. When you are done with that, you can cut the tail end of the yarn and start working on your petals. For your petals, we are going to be using yellow yarn, and it's basically just a series of increasing and decreasing. So we are going to be working with single crochet, double crochet, and treble crochets. For the first step, insert your hook in any of the loops and pull through the yellow yarn. Grab both ends of the yarn and pull through to secure the knots. For the first step, we are going to be following a pattern, single crochet in this same stitch. Then a double crochet in the same stitch. Next, a treble crochet. So for treble crochet, I did a video on that. You yarn over twice and insert your hook inside, pull through 2 loops, pull through another 2 loops, and you have to pull through the last 2 loops. Next, chain 2 and insert your hook in the treble crochet we did and slip stitch. To complete this petal, we are going to be doing a treble crochet in the next stitch. Then a double crochet in that same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch to complete this petal. And there you have it, your petal. We're going to be doing this same process all around. repeat the process all round to the end. In the end, I got about 11 petals here. Once you reach your last petal, you're going to insert it into the first ever stitch we made, end slip stitch, to secure. Pull the slip stitch out to extend it. That's what you're going to be attaching to the keychain or your bag. And tie the first end of your yarn to the current one to secure. Cut any yarn ends that are sticking out. And we are done. Now you can attach it to your keychain or to your bag.